In 1907, the Department of Excavation and Dredging, considered the backbone of the Panama Canal's construction, organized its monumental work into 4 divisions: Culebra, Chagres, Colon, and La Boca. In 1936, these operations were consolidated into the Dredging Division, strategically based in Gamboa to provide more effective maintenance of the navigational channel and respond to landslides in the Culebra Cut. Today, the division performs a wide range of essential services, including dredging, heavy lifting, salvage, maritime signalling, and fuel distribution. Its fleet includes 4 dredges: the cutter suction dredge Mindy, in service since 1943, the cutter suction dredge Quibián 1, operating since 2011, the mechanical bucket dredge Christensen, in service since 1977, and the backhoe dredge Alberto Alemán Zubieta, operating since 2013. Supporting these operations are specialized units such as cranes, tugboats, and drilling barges like Baru and Tur, which are used when rock must be drilled and blasted before removal. The division also manages geological drilling, topographic surveys, logistics, floating and land-based equipment, and multiple workshops equipped for mechanics, carpentry, welding, and maritime signalling, now using modern technologies like solar panels and LED lighting on more than 1,500 channel markers. Administrative units oversee recruitment, training, budgeting, and environmental compliance, ensuring that every operation meets safety and regulatory standards. For over a century, the Dredging Division's skilled professionals have played a vital role in keeping the Panama Canal safe, navigable, competitive, and continuously improving for global commerce.